Find the area under the cosine curve from 0 to b, where 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi over 2. First, we look at the graph of cosine of x from 0 to pi over 2 only. This is only a part of the entire cosine curve. The area from 0 to b is the area from the y-axis to wherever b is, but it had to start from the y-axis. As long as b is between 0 and pi over 2, then this area is positive above the x-axis. And so the area is the definite integral from 0 to b of cosine of x dx. Again, as long as b is between 0 and pi over 2. But the antiderivative of cosine of x is sine of x, and we evaluate this antiderivative as 0 and b. Sine of 0 is 0, so the answer is sine of b, as long as b is between 0 and pi over 2, so that the shaded region is above the x-axis. Another example, evaluate the definite integral from -1 to 3 of 1 over x squared dx. We're going to attempt to use the fundamental theorem of calculus. The antiderivative of 1 over x squared is -1 over x, and then we plug in 3 and -1, evaluate the 2 to obtain -4 over 3. This is wrong. We cannot use the fundamental theorem of calculus in this case because the function f of x equals 1 over x squared is not continuous on the closed interval -1 over 3. Notice that 0 is included in this interval -1, 3, and so this function is not defined as 0. We say that this definite integral does not exist. And so, to use the fundamental theorem of calculus, we need to make sure that the function is continuous. That is one of the requirements.